Hello everybody, how are you today? Today is the last day of our lessons and it is the last lesson in Unit 5 as well, so we still continue our lessons in English Time 2, okay, Unit 5, and today we are going to study the new step in this unit. So Unit 5, and what you are going to study today is phonics. Okay, phonics. Long E. Okay, long E. As you know already, the E is not an alphabet. E is not a consonant. E is a vowel. So E has many sounds. Okay, so let's go. But before we continue our lessons, I would like you to read some sentences in order to improve your reading and new vocabulary as well. Okay, sentence number 1. We feed 3 monkeys. We feed 3 monkeys. We feed 3 monkeys. We need to see the team. Steve and Pete will not eat red meat. A thief will steal these chips. Okay, continue reading for the next sentences. Feed the seal meats and a peas. Okay. Read these brief deals. If do you see a seed? The vet will heal the pet's heel. Keep Steve on the team. Sick. The beam is seen by the vet team. So these are sentences are mostly about long E. So do you recognize some word that with long E? Okay, so it is a bit hard for you to read because the word sound is similar to the other because most of the words are used long E. So E, a lot of word that use long E vowels. So no worries, we go to our lesson and you will understand it easily because our lesson is focused on only long E. Okay, let's learn about long E. Okay, long E's. As I mentioned in the beginning, long E is not a consonant. So E we have to use it to make some word. Okay, to spell or something like that. Okay, long E. Okay, that means the sound is longer. For example, E, like the word number 1, B. Number 2, meat. Number 3, feed. Number 4, read. Number 5, sleep. Number 6, tea. Okay, tea. And do you remember? Do you recognize that? Okay, E double E long E, double E long E, double E long E, E A long E, E A long E, and E A long E. Okay, so they have 2 kinds of this long E. So it is easy for you to remember. When you see E, it's long E. You have to pronounce long E like B, feed, sleep. Okay, EA is also long E as well, like meat, okay, read, and tea. Okay, moreover, I would like to show you some long E in order for you to understand and easy to read the word correctly. Okay, let's go. Okay, long E here means E long E, E A long E, E, and magic with E is long E, EY long E, IE long E, and E is long E as well. So let's read from number 1 to number 10 altogether. Okay, like feet, meet, Pete, key, okay. Thief, sick, team, meme. Number 3, monkey, cheap, read, and will. Number 4, he, been, see, need. Number 5, this, be, hill, if. Number 6, beam, keep, lip, we. Number 7, brief, win, free, deal. Number 8, pea, seed, eat, Steve. Number 9, Rick, seal, need, and dim. Number 10, seen, seek, peel, and keen. So you have to remember that when you see double E is long E, EA is long E, E magic with E is long E, EY is long E, I is long E, and E, only one E is also long E as well. EE like the word feet, okay. EA like the word meat, okay. E magic with E like the word Pete, okay. You see the word Pete. And EY, okay, EY sound E as well, like key, the word key. How about EIE, okay, IE, like the word thief or brief, okay. And only E, one E, like the word he, we, or me, something like that. So I hope you understand this with long E's, okay. This is the sound of letter E, because E has two sounds, long E and short E, okay. I hope you learned this video very well. So let's do some exercise here, okay. You can do exercise, right? Okay, long E, okay, match the word to the pictures, okay. Okay, word number 1, long E, okay, mean seal, mean feet, mean beach, mean tree, mean bee, mean ear, mean queen, and deer. Okay, so which one? Okay, I give you a few minutes, okay, I give you a few seconds to look at, and you can do it by yourself, or you can take notes, okay, you can write down in your notebook or something, okay, to let me know the pictures and the long E words. Okay, great job everybody. So this is the end of our lesson. I hope you can do this exercise at home, and you can learn some long E in this video lessons. Okay, thank you very much. See you later.